All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever type it may be. And today is a good day because we are going to be headed over to the post office to pick up a very, very important modification for the Shelby GT350. This is going to allow us to pulley down and put the car on E85. It's been a minute since I have recorded a vlog on this channel. The weather has been terrible and I've been super busy. Definitely not complaining about that. But hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content that I've been putting up on the channel. I think you guys definitely have, just considering the fact that, you know, a lot of you guys are getting vocal in the comment section whenever we're going over news, updates, and things like that. This is technically an update video as well, but different type of vibe. So if you guys enjoy it, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and let's get on the way. All right, we are on the road. We are headed out to the post office. We're almost there. About to go pick up this package. I must have missed it, but at the same time, it kind of makes sense as to why I have to go pick it up, because number one, the weather's been bad, it's been raining. Number two, this is technically an electronic, so they're definitely not gonna let that sit outside in front of the house. And also, it was raining, so we're gonna pick this up. Now, I do have a couple updates for y'all. As far as the oil pressure switch, the potential oil pan gasket leak, and overall getting the catch can inspected, that's gonna happen in January because Bomberas is booked up. I already called up Boyd and said, hey, you know what I'm saying, when can I go ahead and drop this car off, because I'm not bringing it to anybody else because they did all the work previously. I want somebody who I know knows what they're doing to check over everything, just to make sure that we are good to go, because Texas 2K is gonna be right around the corner, and if I need to turn the car up more, I'll be a lot more comfortable knowing that, you know, we're all good to go, because I believe there is an oil pan gasket leak. I've been monitoring the car, even though I have not really been driving it a lot. I've been monitoring it. I'm gonna monitor it again when I get home. As far as the oil pressure switch, I think there's a leak right there. I think I can see it where it's kind of leaking, which honestly could be what I think is the oil pan gasket leak. It might have just kind of seeped that way in all reality, but we'll see. We'll get everything taken a look at. And obviously the catch can as well. I'm already prepared to go ahead and swap the catch can out for a different one, just in case this UPR catch can that I have currently is not working properly. Maybe it's not compatible with the setup that I'm running right now, which it may not be. I'm not 100% sure. I got the one that was supposed to be for the centrifugal superchargers, but maybe I need like a breather tank, not necessarily a catch can. Because there's two different descriptions, because I've had a catch can before, multiple catch cans, but this was a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, it kind of sounds like a no-brainer, but the wording has me thinking some things, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta go ahead and get everything inspected, because one of them said it wasn't compatible with the Shelby GT350, so I got the one that was. And now that I'm thinking, maybe there was some wording messed up in the description that I should have got the one that wasn't, but really was. We'll see. We'll see, because I'm definitely thinking that this catch can I have right now, this UPR makes good products, but I think the specific one I have is not compatible with the current setup that I'm running with, which would make sense. If I do have an oil pan gasket leak, that means that it definitely was not doing its job. But yeah, let me go ahead and pick up this device, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Jesus, man, the sun. We had no sun for like a week and a half, and now it's insane.
One eternity later.
All right, so got the package, man. I already opened it up. Make sure everything is here, so we'll do a little unboxing. You guys can probably tell what this is. We have two pigtails right here. One for one fuel pump, and another for another fuel pump, because the Shelby GT350, if you are unaware, we have two fuel pumps back there, and we have some voltage boosters here. So we are going to be putting this car on E85 very, very shortly. if I can tune the car with the SCT4 device I have right now, I could begin the data log process potentially this week, which would be amazing. But if not, I'm gonna have to get an updated device so I can go ahead and do it. Hopefully I can use the device I have right now, because quite literally, technically tonight I can send the email to Rob Shoemaker, because that's who tuned the car previously, and be like, yo, time to go ahead, send me a base file on E85, go ahead and hook these up, load up the file, go to the gas station. When I have like, actually, let me go check right now. How much gas do I have in this car? Like half a tank. So I would actually have to go ahead and like drain the tank out a little bit. But once I go ahead and do that, fill up on E85, and then we can start the data log process, which would be amazing. So hopefully I can use the device. I'm actually gonna email him when I get home, be like, can I use the SCT4 to data log? Because I'm pretty sure I can. I did that with the 2 valve, but I'm not too sure if you can do it with the S550s. I think they disabled that, or I don't know if tuners even want to be doing data logs with that device. I'm gonna find out. Let me know down in the comment section. I'll probably have an answer before y'all let me know, but feel free, let me know, can you data log with an S550 with the SCT4 device? Because if I can, we're about to put this car in E85 hopefully this week, because we should be having some decent weather. All right, so I'm back at the casa. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these twin booster pumps so we can have an idea on what we're gonna be working with and how long it should take to install in the Shelby GT350. Feel free, let me know down in the comment section if you guys have installed these twin booster pumps. Let me know how long it took. All right, see what we're working with here. I already showed the 2 pigtails. Got these booster pumps from Lethal Performance. These are gonna be the Lethal Performance twin booster pumps. So we got one right here, and we have another packaged real nicely in bubble wrap. The Fuel Plus voltage boosters. Hold on, y'all. All right, these are Performance fuel pump voltage boosters. We also have some literature down here, I guess, going over how to use them. So we have the ground, we're gonna have to ground them for sure. And then we also have obviously the adapters you plug in. So this should be pretty interesting. They don't seem too difficult to install. I've actually never installed fuel pump voltage boosters, twin booster pumps before, so you know, this shouldn't be too bad, but we shall see, man. Let me know down in the comment section of what you guys think, if you've used them before, how reliable were they, and how long it took to install. I'm real curious. Now, if you're wondering how much horsepower are the twin booster pumps get up to, I've seen people make 900 plus wheel horsepower, 950 plus wheel horsepower in a Shelby GT350 with just twin booster pumps, no aftermarket fuel system, which is kind of crazy. Way more power that I want to go ahead and make. I'm going to be chilling at high 700, 800 wheel horsepower. The car is on 8 pounds of boost right now, and honestly, I don't think I'll need to pulley down to achieve that. I should be able to do that on 8 pounds of boost, but the plan is to get the car on E85 ready to go, so when I do drop the car off at Bomberas in January, because they are so busy right now, if I need to go ahead and pulley the car down, because I'm gonna get a bunch of work done at Bomberas, gonna have the car on the dyno so I can actually get hard numbers on what the car is putting down. If let's say it makes like 750 or something like that, obviously we can go ahead and pulley down and get up to 800 horsepower. And if it makes like, you know, 790 or like 810 or something like that, we're chilling, we can leave it alone. So if you guys are excited, sorry about that. The school bus is coming. It's that time of the day. And want to stay up to date with the build, feel free. Drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, because hopefully, if I can tune the car on the SCT4 device, the next video, maybe not the next video, but within the next couple of days, you'll see a video of the car first fill up on E85.